Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing reliable capture and clean audio. This is crucial. Launch the Crew Motorfest and set graphics stable, then open OBS or your capture tool. In OBS, add a game capture source, enable separate audio tracks, and mute microphone input so only game audio records. Once done, run a short test clip of dialogue or cutscene to verify levels. Make sure clips are long enough to capture entire exchanges. You'll need clear audio for accurate transcription later. Next, extract the recorded audio and create an SRT transcript. First, export the audio track as WAV or 320 kbps MP3. Keep sample rate consistent. Then use a speech-to-text service or offline ASR like Whisper to generate timestamps and raw text. Once you have auto transcript, clean up names, game-specific terms, and punctuation so lines read naturally. After editing, convert timestamps into SRT format. Finally, finalize and integrate the SRT with your Motorfest footage. Save the clean transcript as file name. SRT using UTF-8 encoding because that prevents subtitle glitches. Place the SRT in the same folder as your MP4 with identical base name, or import it into your player or video editor and adjust sync by a few hundred milliseconds if needed. If you want permanent captions, hard code them through your editor. If timing drifts, rerun small segments through the editor to fine-tune. That usually fixes misalignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.